In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign tasks in Smartsheet step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Task assignment is one of the most important features in Smartsheet because it allows you to clearly define ownership, improve accountability, and keep your projects moving forward without confusion. Whether you're managing a small team or a large project, this simple setup can save you a lot of time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Smartsheet, then navigate to the sheet where you want to assign tasks. This can be an existing project sheet or a brand new one you've created. Make sure you're in grid view because task assignment works best from the grid layout. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to identify the rows that represent your tasks. Each row usually corresponds to one task or activity in your project. Next, we need to add a column that allows us to assign people to those tasks. To do this, move your cursor to the column headers at the top of the sheet. Click on the option to add a new column. When the column settings panel opens, you'll see several column types to choose from. This step is very important because the column type determines how assignments work. From the list of column types, select Contact List. The Contact List column is what enables Smartsheet's task assignment features. This column type allows you to assign tasks to specific people using their email addresses. You can name this column something clear like Assign To or Task Owner so everyone on your team understands its purpose. After selecting Contact List, review the column settings. You can choose whether to allow only one contact per task or multiple contacts if your tasks require collaboration. Once everything looks good, click Apply. Smartsheet will now add the Contact List column to your sheet, and you're ready to start assigning tasks. Now comes the easy part. Click into a cell under the new Contact List column for the task you want to assign. You can start typing a name or email address, and Smartsheet will show suggestions based on your contacts and collaborators. Select the correct person, and the task is now assigned. Repeat this process for each task in your sheet. If the people you're assigning tasks to have notifications enabled, Smartsheet can automatically notify them when they're assigned a task or when due dates change. This helps ensure nothing slips through the cracks and keeps everyone informed without extra follow-ups. Once you've assigned tasks, you can use filters, reports, or dashboards in Smartsheet to track who is responsible for what. This makes project management much more transparent and efficient, especially when working with teams. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to assign tasks in Smartsheet using a contact list column. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.